So today I'll show you what I eat for one of the leanest and cleanest protein breakfasts you can have. So first, I know this is not the usual studio. I'm in the process of moving houses, so the studio is like trash right now. Even though it's a fitness video, this is not gym attire. I'm gonna switch whenever we go over there to the kitchen in a second. But more importantly, if you guys did not know, I am the Resize Coach. I'm officially launching my own fitness and nutrition program. So the whole thing's online, so instead of going to like one person to one person to one person, now I can reach everybody. The program is gonna have videos where you actually get to work out with me. The meals is the biggest part. I literally put the best of the best in here. I'm making it simple and easy. Not only do I have the pictures, the ingredients, the measurements, the heat that you put it on, everything. Like for those people who can't cook, this is that. You're gonna be like, I made that? Yes, you did. But I thought I'd have some fun today and show you at least one of the breakfast meals that I have on my program. So this is something super easy. This one's like basic oatmeal, but it's not basic. This that good. So let's head over there and I'll show you. You know what's crazier? I just got this ring last night. So there's a company out here called Talibat. He delivered my food here and I was like, dang, I don't know if I should just be taking stuff from people. You know, we got monkeypox out here, so I don't really mess around and get like a bump. Like, you don't know. So I didn't want to take the chance. I took it anyway. So I like it. I'm gonna stand on this side actually so I can put the words here and they shine real bright. So I can show you the measurements. We'll do a quick test to see if this is working. All right, didn't need the sarcasm there. I talked to my editor about that one because that's crazy. So the best part of my program is actually that all these, hold on, let me get this off. Come on. Dang, I need to quit wearing this one. Like only one finger can hold a ring on this side, and then I only got my ring finger on this side, so like I can't wear my rings like I want to. I need to get actually fitted for a ring. This light's kind of toasty, so I'm actually gonna go shirtless for this. It's a fitness video anyway, it's supposed to be shirtless anyway. So the name of this super lean and protein packed meal is peanut butter and strawberry pro oats. Altogether this is gonna come out to 58 grams of protein, 33 fats, 72 carbs, which is not bad, and 863 calories. The best part is that my program tailors it to the settings that you want. So if you want to get bigger, you get bigger and I give you the different portion sizes. I'm trying to get leaner and smaller. However, when I see the bench, I have to put 4 plates on, so my body's gonna keep bulking. We're just gonna do breakfast today, and I'll show you what I eat for lunch later. Lunches, boy, smack, boy. So first thing we're gonna need, since this is oatmeal, is some raw oats. That's all. We're gonna do about 2.5 ounces of oats, right? Believe it or not, I actually do use a measuring cup, so that way I know exactly what I'm getting out of here. Next thing we're doing is half a tablespoon of peanut butter. I'm gonna use one of my old sponsors and go with PB Fit instead. So this is peanut butter powder, also packed full of protein. All right, so now we just go ahead and put the cap on that and we can set that to the side. I don't know if you guys can hear that sizzling in the back, but I'm boiling water in a hot water boiler, so it's faster. It's faster than just putting it on the stove. The next thing we're gonna add is a scoop of protein. I'm not gonna hold this up close because I don't want anybody to think that I'm sponsored by this protein or whoever. I'm not too big on supplements, but I like to, every now and then, like when I know I need it, I know I need it. So protein of your choice. This is whey protein. And it's chocolate, because you know how people like that chocolate. 1 scoop of protein. Next thing I put in here, a banana. Now wait, I did not like bananas until I started putting it in here. The way we cook this, it softens and melts the banana into it. You're not even gonna taste the banana. A little bit. I'm not gonna, there's no cap here. There's a little bit, you're gonna taste a little bit, but it's not bad, trust me. I did not like bananas, but the way I cook them, the way you will be cooking them, bomb. Dang bro, maybe I should have like rehearsed this first or something. Like the worst banana, Jesus Christ. I did this for way before the video. I wasn't embarrassing myself. Next thing we're adding in is a little bit of milk. I use almond milk. I've been drinking almond milk for so long, I can't go back to normal milk. Like it makes me nauseous, bro. Like I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Like even if I mix it in like Cocoa Pebbles or like, so put a splash of this in here. I say a splash, I'm still pouring, right? All right, now I'm coming over with the hot water. There you go. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a little stir so it doesn't look like mud right now. We're gonna cut the bananas back in here. Let's see. I said bananas, it's just 1 banana. This banana is a lot longer and bigger than the normal banana. Pause. I'm gonna put this one over here to the side. I know what 9 ounces looks like, so I'm gonna eyeball this. We're gonna use these crushed pecans that I have and mix these in here. I'm also gonna use these sliced almonds that I have and mix these in here. Yeah, so this is where we're at right now. And the last ingredient, we're gonna use grape jam. Jam is definitely healthier than jelly. If you have jelly, you can use it, but jam is a better alternative naturally. These are like super simple meals. All of these can be made in a couple minutes. Like, this is one of the fastest meals to make. And as you see, it doesn't take a lot of effort to make. It's just oatmeal, protein scoop, banana, strawberry, nuts. Like, it's all super easy. But then whenever you go back and look at what's packed into it, bro, there's easier meals to make than this in my program. I'm crouching because I don't feel like readjusting the camera over and over again. I'm not even gonna lie, man. Like, I was eating this like 3 days in a row. When I figured it out, I started, bro, the app launches soon. I'm gonna give a 20% discount code to people who can sign up before we launch. I'm doing all your workouts with you, doing them for you, and I'm doing your diet and teaching you how to cook. Bro, it's only $50, bro. And if you sign up before it launches, it's only $40. Like, it's kind of a steal, man. I don't really know what to tell you. Just get in the best shape of your life, eat some of the best food that you've ever cooked before for $50. I don't know, like, who's doing that, you know? Like, nobody. I'm the first person in the whole world ever to do that, you know? You're not gonna look it up, so, I mean, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you really like my content and you want me to do more meals, tell me what else you would like to see if you don't do meat, or if you're only pescatarian, or you're vegetarian, vegan. I do it all, bro. Literally. I will tailor this diet specific to what you want to eat. If you don't like that meal for the day, switch it out and I give you something else. I come back, you thought I was bobbing when I was really weaving. Bro, I'm just like,